The Amazon affiliate program is a great way for you to start making passive income, but don't think you'll be earning big time money right off the bat. That's why I'm sharing my real quarterly earnings starting a new account from scratch right now. Hey everyone, what is going on? I'm Eddie Garrison and welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn more about social media marketing, video, and product reviews, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. The Amazon affiliate marketing program is obviously a great way for you to start making extra or passive income on the side. However, it's not always roses and rainbows earning you tens of thousands of dollars like your favorite YouTuber or creators are earning right now. And here's why. Yes, they may be earning those numbers, and I'm not saying they aren't, nor would I ever, and that is obviously great for them. The biggest thing between most of you watching this video and them is about, 30,000 followers on social media or YouTube, and believe me, that plays a huge role into how much you can actually earn when it comes to affiliate marketing. Now, I'm also not saying with fewer followers that you can't make some good passive income on the side. Hey, that's what these videos are all about and is here to help you understand how to do that. But as I said in the past on other videos with this topic, I wanted to show you that starting from scratch with the Amazon affiliate program is not always those big numbers you see from others that have been doing this for several years, if not longer. What I set out to do was show you my actual income I generate per quarter, starting this thing from ground zero. You can check out my other quarterly report videos on this channel as well, but for now, let's jump into my earnings from Q3. Now, unfortunately, my earnings in this quarter went down slightly from Q2. However, I was still able to earn a whopping $9.80 in Q3 with the Amazon affiliate marketing program. Now, I know, breaking the bank right here, right? Still, that adds to my overall total of passive income for the year, bringing it up to $48.95 through 3 quarters of this year. Those earnings are coming from 2,034 clicks, driving 37 sales, totaling around $1,500 in sales for Amazon. Meaning the $48.95 I've made is earning me around 3 to 4% commission from the Amazon affiliate program. Again, not breaking the bank here, but as I've been trying to stress in this video series, this is not something you can just jump into and expect to start earning thousands of dollars per month with a smaller following on social media or YouTube. The biggest thing I want you to take away from this video and this series overall is that yes, the Amazon affiliate program can help you earn passive income for yourself. However, don't get into it thinking you're going to start earning as much as your favorite YouTuber or creator right off the bat. It simply isn't going to be like that, especially if you're starting from scratch. It's a process, and a process that demands you stay on top of your social media postings, community interaction, and utilizing your website and email list to keep your content and affiliate links in front of your most devoted followers. To learn even more about social media marketing, video, and product reviews, make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.